Now let's look at this figure 22-12, which deals with cooking equipment loads in accordance with Note 2 to Table 220.55. Now, first of all, I want to review the note with you coming out the gate here. The note in the illustration says the 9 kW range is increased to 12 kW per Note 2 to Table 220.55. In other words, if you had 8 kW and 24, any kW below that would be increased to 12 kW. So that 9 kW range becomes 12. So the question is, what is the demand load for 9 kW, 18 kW, and 24 kW range? Find the demand load in VA for 3 pieces of cooking equipment. So we're going to use the Note 2 because we have 3 pieces of cooking equipment. So Note 2 to Table 220.55, we would take 12 kW, increasing 9 to 12, plus 18 kW, plus 24 kW, equal 54 kW. Since we have 3 ranges, we divide the 54 kW by 3, giving us 18 kW. Now notice, we exceed the 12 kW by 6 kW. So we would take 5% of the 6 kW, which would give us 30. Step 2, we take Table 220.55, column C, and we take 14 kW times 1,000 to get rid of the K, times 130%, determined in step 1, and we'd come up with 18,200. So the solution and the answer is the demand load is 18,200 VA, and that's what this illustration 22-12 is illustrating to the user of the NEC.